Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ringing. Hello?
Hello, Tito Mark?
Hello, Rap! You're at home right now, diba? May problema ako, Rap. Maybe you can help me. Emergency. Ayaw tanggapin yung credit card ko. Naubusan ako ng pera. Gamit muna yung credit card mo and then I'll just pay you. Don't tell nanay and tatay, ha. Kung may cash kang 1,000, okay lang. Kahit I'll just borrow the 1,000. Pero kung hindi, kahit credit card, don't tell nanay, ha. Nakakahiya kasi. Hello. Come here. It's a prank.
I'm here in Las Piñas City, and today we will go to a new hangout place in Villar City, just a 4-minute drive away from my home. Villar City is the latest development of Foresta Villar Land in the southern part of Metro Manila. And we will be dining here in Floresta Cafe. Foresta Cafe was established last 2023. It offers not just coffee, drinks, and desserts, but it also offers a wide variety of food choices in their menu. Inside Foresta Cafe is a luxurious ambience that will leave you at awe. From furnishings to kitchenware, fixtures, everything your eyes can see will really fascinate you. Outside, you will see how vast the area of future development will be. So if you want to invest in properties, I suggest getting a property here is a very wise decision you will make. What I like in Foresta Cafe is the importance of greeneries. You will also notice some plants inside the cafe which complements with the ambience. It gives you a feeling of being with nature, making a relaxing and comfortable experience. There are also some seats available outside for the feel of nature. You will smell the freshness of the grass and the plants when you walk in the garden of the cafe. From this angle, you will see how homey the cafe is with its beautiful landscape. I love the design of the path in the garden, and this marker will remind you of the importance of planting a tree. I stayed in the mezzanine part of the cafe. Here, you will find an amazing wall with a touch of wood and greenery. Honestly, I fell in love with this wall. So homey. So now, titignan na natin ang food choices dito sa kanilang menu. Meron silang breakfast and brunch choices. I think kukunin ko itong kanilang corned beef pastrami and tocino brulee. Try ko din itong kanilang omelette. Meron din silang tartines or bread with a sweet or savory toppings, sandwiches, salad and quiche, at pizza. Interesting itong kanilang 5 formaggi or 5 cheese. Meron din silang iba't ibang klaseng pasta. For their main dish, they have curry, beef stew, chicken, fish, and chips. Meron din silang steaks. Different kinds of sauces and side dishes. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang coffee. May iba't ibang klase silang hot and cold coffee. Meron din silang non-coffee. May tsokolate eh. Meron din silang tea, plant-based drinks, specialty crafts, and sodas.
So, order ako na corned beef pastrami, peppered beef pancakes, choice of fried or scrambled eggs, choice of potato, pimenton, rice. And then, order ako na simple formaggi. And then the tagliatelle con il tartufo pasta. And Caesar salad. And
parang gusto ko mag-hot choco. Yeah, that's all. Ano oras pa siya mag-available?
11 onwards.
Oh, sayang. O di sige. Yung corned beef pastrami, itong tocino brulee, itong omelette, and chocolate egg. Yung hot. Yun. Try mo. Ayun.
Chocolate egg, one mo.
Look at their tocino brulee, so yummy, with two sunny side up, cooked the way I like it, with a little crunch on the side. And the tocino, grabe, dalawang belly slab, homemade cured. Look at the taba, ano kayang lasa nito? Na-curious ako. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang rice. Rice is life, with some atsara and red cabbage chutney. Eto na, excited na ako matikman itong kanilang tocino. Kaya naman pala ang sarap, grabe. Syempre, best with rice. Grabe, so yummy. Again, with rice. Perfect. At ito naman ang kanilang tsokolate Nakakatuwa. May seremonya ka pa na gagawin. Para lang kinikis-kis mo kamay mo para matanggal ang libag. Mix, mix, mix. Then pour it in your cup. And cheers!
Lapot. Ang sarap.
Ang alin.
Yung tsokolate Iba yung ano niya. Iba yung pagka-tsokolate niya.
And eto naman ang kanilang skillet eggs or omelette. What I like with their omelette is that meron itong kasamang sausage, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, olives, and cheese. Aber. Atin nang tikman at nang mahusgahan itong kanilang omelette. Sarap! Of course, the potato pimento. The salad. And the sourdough bread. Perfect! And ito naman ang corned beef pastrami. Again, the two sunny side ups, potato pimenton, peppered beef, and pancakes. Atin ang tikman. Very enticing itong corned beef pastrami. Look at the beef. Ang lambot. No need to use the knife na nga to slice the beef. Kusa na siyang naghihiwalay. Sarap! Then the pancakes. See, I'm enjoying my breakfast. Of course, the salad, then the omelette again.
Hi guys! Andito ako sa Foresta Cafe right now. Lumipat kami dito sa labas para meron kaming privacy. Pero this time, inisip ko i-prank. Prank nga ba? Parang prank na rin. Ipaprank ko yung pamangkin ko si Rap Rap. Subukan natin papuntahin dito. Sabihin ko na ubusan ako ng pera. Tingnan natin kung mapapapunta natin siya dito. Okay? Tawagan natin. Hello?
Hello, Tito Mike.
Hello, Rap! You're at home right now, 'di ba?
Sa Portofino.
Portofino, that's good. Buti na lang. May problema ako, Rap. Maybe you can help me. Emergency. can you come here right now? Kasi ayaw tanggapin yung credit card ko, naubusan ako ng pera. May credit card ka naman, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, paggamit muna yung credit card mo and then I'll just pay you. Don't tell nanay and tatay, ha. Andito ako sa Foresta Cafe, malapit lang. Alam mo yung Foresta? Yun na una, ha? Oo. Saglit lang naman eh.
Yeah, okay. Sige.
Sabihin mo na lang, may bibilin ka muna may bibilin ka lang somewhere.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Okay, tapos basta dito ako sa labas, sa taas ng Foresta.
Sige.
Pero no rush, baka nakapambahay ka, you can wear something muna. No.
Okay.
I'll wait for you, ha.
Okay.
Alam mo na to.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Kung may cash kang 1,000, okay lang. Kahit I'll just borrow the 1,000. Pero kung hindi, kahit credit card. Don't tell nanay, ha. Nakakahiya kasi.
Okay, sige.
Okay, sige, thank you. See you, kayo, bye-bye. Yes. Cheers. Sarap ng mocha. Pag pumunta dito si Rap, bibigyan ko siya ng 1,000 pesos. Pero kung hindi siya pumunta, wala. Okay. Nandito na yung aking chorizo.
Served with cane vinegar and muscovado sugar sauce, sunny side ups, garlic rice, their version of chorizo, and the papaya at Sara. Look, mangiinggit ako sa inyo.
And the 5 formaggi pizza.
With balsamic glaze, organic honey on top.
Kaya iba yung size nito. Weird. Nausok siguro. Yes. Ang 5 formaggi. Sarap. One more pizza. Yung iba tinutupi, pero parang walang excitement. Nag-text si Rap. Hi, Tito Mike. This is my secondary number. Baka secret number. I will use this to call once I arrive. I have no load kasi sa other number ko. Okay, see you. Thanks. Heart. Baka sabihin niya kasi isa lang yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng heart. And ito yung I forgot the name, ang haba kasi. Tagliatelle. Ano tartufo. Basta truffle. Nalalasahan ko yung aroma ng truffle. Pero very slight lang. Kaunti. Mas nalalasahan ko yung cream. Pero sa pizza, mas lasang-lasa ko yung truffle mushroom. Baboy ko kumain. And ang kanilang beef tapa. Of course, with 2 sunny side up eggs, side dish, and the tapa itself.
Look again.
Uy! Hindi ako mahilig sa tapa kasi usually dumidikit sa ngipin. Pero ito mukhang malambot, oh. Oh. Ang lambot. Oh. Ang sarap ng tapa. Ang sarap ng tapa. Kailangan with rice. Ayan si Rap. Wala pa si Rap. Hi, Rap! Hello. Come here. Hello. How are you? Good. What do you like? This is Rap. Pinaprank ka lang namin. It's a prank! Niloloko ka lang namin. Para pumunta ka dito.
Okay.
Ang init naman ang suot mo. What do you want? You order. Marami akong pera. Cut!
Yun yung menu.
Hindi. Sabi ko kanina, before ko tawagan si Rap, kinausap ko muna yung mom niya. Sabi ko kasi, tatawag ko si Rap, baka magtaka biglang umalis. So alam ng mom mo, napupunta ka dito. She knows. Don't worry. Kaya pala ano?
Parang nagtataka lang ako na exactong lunch.
Lumipat kami dito. Tama-tama, sakto, lunchtime. Yun. Kasi may mga items sa menu na available lang 11 o'clock.
Talaga?
Kaya like the pizza, saka ito. Usually breakfast lang. Nagulat nga ako, at least pwede pala yung breakfast. But this is not available as ng opening nila. You have to wait for 11. Yeah. Anyway, you order what you want. This is delicious. We can order more. Teka, baka magkalimutan ako. May sinabi kasi ako kanina bago dumating si Rap before the start of the prank. Sabi ko, tatawagan ko si Rap. Kapag napapunta ko dito, si Rap, bibigyan ko siya ng 1,000 pesos. Pero kung hindi, wala. But since nandito siya ngayon, bibigyan ko siya ng 1,000 pesos. Ebidensya. O yan! Wala kasi akong cash eh.
Siya!
Oo.
Tayo bibigyan ka ng
Sabi ng mom mo, sabi ko kasi manghihiram ako sa kanya ng 1,000 pesos. Naku, walang pera yun. Wala nga ba?
Hindi ako nagka-cash.
O, you have wallet? Sige nga, ganito yung wallet. Mag-wallet trade sana ako.
Kita yung info.
Para siya.
How do you open this?
Card slot siya.
Oh,
Para
okay.
sa phone ko.
So ito, ino-open ng ganon. Oh, tapos, okay pwede ng stand.
Stand siya dito. Magnet.
May magnet. Yabang iPhone. iPhone?
Latest.
Hindi.
Grabe. Wala ka talagang cash?
Card.
And then how do you remove this?
So,
Isa-isa?
Isa-isa.
Okay.
Live.
Wow. Hindi pwede ipakita. Wow. Wala nga siyang cash. Binigyan ko siya ng cash. Problema niya kung saan niya lalagay yan. Magwa-wallet rate pa naman sana ako. Ngayon, masarap din yung tsokolate Alam mo, ang lapot niya.
Sorry.
Darating sa'yo, nakalagay pa sa pitzel ng parang aluminum. Ikaw yung magaganon. Tapos, ilalagay mo sa cup. Yan. I had it kanina. The tocino. Grabe the tocino. So deadly pero so yummy. Iba yung tocino nila. As in. We transferred here kasi doon, when we were doing the video, may mga matatanda sa likod, so nakikita yung mukha. Ang hirap i-edit pag gano'n. Though it's very easy to blur, but parang so uncomfortable. Tapos ang ingay-ingay. Siyempre, narinig mo yung conversation nila. Dito may privacy. Doon mainit lang. Pero mahangin. Yung tocino brulee.
Additional.
Tapos isang iced mocha.
Iced mocha.
Yes.
Magdagdag kami ito. Masarap
Tocino brulee and ice mocha.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung mga lola at lolo.
Hindi ko nga alam. Basta umalis na lang ako.
Hindi ka nagpaalam?
Hindi.
Hindi ka nagpaalam?
Sila na bahala, si nanay na bahala.
Teka, baka pagalitan naman ako.
Nagtanong kasi yung sa tatay ko na, sabi ko na, nagpapatulong si Tito Mike ng karga.
Ang pizza, kinakamay. The proper way of eating pizza, di ba? Kinakamay daw.
Tito Mike,
Kasabat din mo. Galing na umarte, mami yung nanay mo.
Simple prank lang naman yun. Don't worry. We will get there. Look at their tocinos. Look so yummy, oh, diba? Nakita mo yung ibig ko sabihin sa tocino nila, kakaiba. Pero deadly yung taba. Oh. Pero masarap,
Isa lang naman,
promise.
bata pa naman si Rap.
At saka yung katawan mo, oh, kailangan mo ng taba.
Di bata pa naman.
Kailangan mo yung fat, so it's okay for you. Alam mo,
Nalala ko yun.
first time ko nagustuhan yung tapa. Sa,
Ako nga pala,
kasi,
hindi mahilig sa tapa.
di pa, I don't eat
Kasi sa
tapa.
ngipin.
Kasi sumisiksik sa ngipin. Pero ito, this is so soft. Alam nga ni Rap na hindi ako kumakain ng tapa eh. Di ba?
Nakita mo yung itsura mo nung bata ka, yung mga photo album dun sa sala, sa may TV.
Have you seen yung ano ko, yung nail cutter? Napakita ko na, no? Tcharan! It's so
Oh,
thin.
dito sa ano.
By Zwilling.
Ano mo?
Tcharan!
Siya.
Ayan na. Nail cutter. Ito yung second pizza.
Second that.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ayan. Ako magbabayad na.
Ito pa.
Kunwari lang yun sa'yo. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching.